So let's take a look at gold for today, which is on Monday. To those that are yet to subscribe, if you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So one thing I want you guys to know is that there will be a bank holiday today in the US, also a bank holiday in Canada. So basically, I personally don't expect much movement to play out. But if in case much movement plays out, it is fine. We will go ahead and trade with it. But one thing we know for sure is that the movements we will be expecting today are only movements from the traders. No, bank trading. I don't think liquidity will play out. Just retail traders, buying, selling, and everything. So this is what I'll be expecting on gold. I'm kind of see this like as an impulse move. Then I'll take a look at this to be a correction. I'll take a look at this to be another impulse move, then a correction. Let's see if we can have a correction to a level of 1846 to a level of 1852. So within this level, I'm expecting price to actually drop. I'll say it again, around a level of 1846 to a level of 1852. Within these two level, I expect this gold to actually drop. So basically, that is what I'm watching out for. So let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So you can see it is actually rolling up. There's every possibility of, or will I say probability, to hit a level of 1846 before it can actually make a drop, or it can actually break above it, going hit a level of 1852 before it actually make that drop. So watch out for it. Gold will drop, but it just depends on when it will drop. Let's see if we are going to have that drop on Tuesday. Who knows? We're very much likely to have it today, which is on Monday. So just watch out for a sell setup. We would want to sell on our gold, not buy. Whatever movements we are getting upward, we have to leave it. Just wait for a better sell setup, then we'll go ahead and sell. So basically, if you are interested in some of the trade that I'll be taking, especially if you are trading, you're actually losing money, you're blowing your account, you can check the link in the comment section. I'll put a link to my Patreon channel. So basically, I'm going to be putting out trade. So if you are interested, you actually take the trade with me. Winning trade that I actually take. What I'll be taking, you can actually share it. We see last week we actually had a better trade which I shared on my channel, Patreon channel. The last trade for last week was actually better, was profitable. Same thing with last week, was actually also better, was profitable. Though we would have a little bit of a loss, but majority of what we would trade are actually win. So if you're interested, give it a try. The link will be in the comment section below.